Hello students, lecture 69. In this video lecture we will discuss two important questions based on geography chapter 4, that is agriculture. The first question is, what are the important millets and pulses grown in India and give their geographical and climatic conditions possibly. Next question will be, what are the food crops other than grains grown in India and give their geographical and climatic conditions. So in this video lecture we'll discuss only these two questions, and which will be followed by text question answers in the YouTube description area. So first question is, what are the important millets and pulses grown in India? So first of all, you must know millets. Millets are group of three crops, that is jowar, bajra and ragi. So jowar is the third most important food crop of people of India. Jowar is the third. So in this sequence we have discussed rice is the first, wheat second, and ragi is at third position in number of people which consume these cereal or these grains. So all the millets are basically kharif cropping season crops. All millets, jowar, bajra and ragi are the millets, and these are kharif cropping season crops. All these millets are very rich source of nutrients, high valuable nutrients, that is like ragi. Ragi is very rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and roughage. Jowar is also one of the rich or the rough grains which is produced in states of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra is also a rich source of iron, magnesium and calcium, and bajra grows well on sandy soils in Rajasthan after proper irrigation and adding some biomanure or fertilizers. Other states other than Rajasthan where bajra is grown are UP and Maharashtra. Ragi is grown in dry regions as well as on red, black and yellow soil, loamy and shallow black soil areas. Ragi is grown on variety of soils, red, black and sandy, loamy and black soil areas. Major ragi producing states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Now next is the maize. Maize is also food crop. Maize is basically used as both food as well as fodder. Food as well as fodder for animals. Maize is also kharif cropping season crop and requires 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius of temperature. It also requires a hot and humid climate. It requires HYV seeds, heavy doses of fertilizers. Irrigation has contributed to the good production of maize. Maize producing areas are Karnataka, MP, UP, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. After that it comes the pulses. Pulses are basically grown as both Rabi and Kharif cropping seasons. Some pulses are grown as Rabi cropping season like gram. Gram is grown as Rabi. Moong, arhar, tur, all these are grown as Kharif season, in Kharif season or the Kharif cropping season. So about pulses, some other points are, so here we cannot specify a particular climatic and geographical conditions. Geographical conditions are that most of the pulses grow in dry conditions, in dry conditions of Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, UP, etc. Now, about pulses, India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. India is largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. All pulses except arhar, all pulses except arhar are leguminous crops, and they help in fixing the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil, which adds to the soil fertility. So these are about the conditions or features of pulses. So this is all about the food crops other than grains. Next question is, what are the food crops which are not in the form of grains, which are not in the form of grains? That is, the first one is sugarcane. So geographical conditions for sugarcane. Sugarcane is basically grown in Zaid cropping season, but it takes 1 year to grow. So its particular season cannot be mentioned. Sugarcane is a tropical and subtropical crop. So it requires a hot and humid climate for its healthy growth. It requires 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius of temperature for healthy growth, and rainfall 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. And in the areas of low rainfall, additional irrigation is required. Sugarcane is a labor intensive from sowing to the harvesting. Sugarcane is a labor intensive crop from sowing to the harvesting. Major sugarcane growing areas are UP. These are quantity wise. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Haryana and Punjab are leading producer of sugarcane. So these are about the geographical and climatic conditions of sugarcane. Next are the oil seeds. Oil seeds includes many crops. So oil seeds are also grown both as Rabi and Kharif season crops. So here we cannot specify any geographical or climatic condition for the oil seeds. So oil seeds include groundnut, sunflower, linseed, mustard, etc. Of these, groundnut comprises 50% of all the oil seeds. Means if we take all oil seeds grown in India, of all those oil seeds, volume wise, groundnut is 50%. And groundnut is a Kharif cropping season. Groundnut is a Kharif cropping season. So it requires a hot and humid climate, rainfall 75 to 100 centimeter. Then it is grown largely in Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. These are the leading producer states of oil seeds. Other oil seeds are also grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. So that's all for this video. We'll have only these two questions. Now you can see their answers in the downside description area point wise. So I hope this method will help you to get proper questions and their answer techniques. Thank you very much. Keep on watching, reading and listening.